Hello guys, it's Camera's Cards, and today I'm at my friend's house. We got some of his cards in the background. Today we got some packs to open. We got 1992 Topps Hockey, 2 of those, and 2 OPG Premier Hockey from 92. These, I have no clue what I'm looking for them. Just seen them at the hockey card shop. Thought they're pretty cool. So first, I actually want to leave these to the end. Those seem pretty cool, like the wax packs. So first, we'll open up the Premier. These packs are old. They're just shredding. God. All right. First up, we got Ed Zik, Essa Tykinen, Joe Neuwendick, Vincent Damphouse, Mike Gardner, Kelly Kieslow, Matt McLeod, and a Darian Hatcher. So I have no clue if any of those are rookies or not. This might be Pat McLeod. Looks like a rookie. This also looks like a rookie. So yeah, open up the next pack here. 92. 1 second. Here we go. 92 OPG. Stephen Leach, Scott Mellenby, Mike Gardner, another one, Kelly Kieslow, another one. Oh, nice. Jeremy Roenick card. Put that with the PC. Oh. And then we got a Detroit original 6, a Kirk Muller, and a Montreal Canadiens original 6. So pretty cool cards. I got a lot of Oilers in there for the PC and stuff. I mean, it's not like I'm going to pull anything cool out of these. They're more just fun to open. So next up, we got these 92 Topps hockey cards. There we go. Okay, so that's the gold. I didn't really mean to fork that out. Anyways, a Yvonne Corvu gold. So that'd be the insert in each pack that you get. You get one Topps gold hockey card in every pack. So you got Rick Wamsley, Keith Brown, Cliff Roning, Garth Butcher, Kevin Todd, Shane Corson, Matt Sundin, Dave Babich. This is not a rookie. I do have his Matt Sundin's rookie though. Rick Zombo, Guy Carbonneau, I don't know. Joe Cirella, Luke Richardson. A lot of cards in these packs, 15 cards. So. Dean Evanson, Dave Williams, and a Phil Bork. Pretty cool. All right, so we got our last pack here, Topps Hockey. pretty cool cards out of these. I really like the older cards. I want to get a box of some older ones. They did have the box there for sale, so I might buy the box even. There we go. So gold's in the middle. There we go. Okay, Don Sweeney. These are all every which way. We got Olin Nolan, non-rookie, tops. Mike Modano, Bob Kudelski, a Kevin Stevens, Vladimir Ruzica. This one seemed like it was, yeah, right there, it's damaged. God. You want this one? And our gold is a Steve Duchesne for the Nordiques, which in this picture he's not wearing a Nordiques, he's wearing a Flyers jersey. Huh. Cool. Alright, next card up, we got Adam Oates. Oh, we got an all-star card here. Scott Stevens, all-star. Nice. A Joe Geno. A John Tonelli. John Casey. Mike Lute. And Glenn Murray. Pretty cool card. So, recap of what we got. A Scott Stevens All-Star, Steve Duchesne gold, and a Yvonne Corvu gold. And a ton of cards. Some of them might be rookies or not. If any of you guys are interested in any of these cards that I have in hand here that we got from this break, comment down below or whatever. I can send them out. So yeah, just kind of a cool break. Some cards from 1992. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. Also subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.